Oh, Pooja is looking so pretty.
I know. I just told her.
I also told the same.
क्या? मैंने नहीं सुना.
We've started at.
Okay, so hi, first of all, congratulations on being trending on number 1.
This is Tulika.
I'm
Ji.
Tulika. I'm from Nidhi's team.
Okay,
So
hi.
Okay, hi. So we start with.
I don't have you on my screen. I'm really sorry.
It's okay. Okay, first of all, Hina, you are labeled now as the undisputed music video queen. So what is you that draws you to the music videos now? Especially, why did you sign Barish Banjana? Let's come to that.
I think for viral, we're working with viral, Pooja. It's always a treat, and whenever I get an opportunity, I don't miss that. One of the reasons is this, and then the other reason is this as well. I always mention this that we are in these difficult times, so it is really easy for each one of us to shoot for 2 days, 3 days, and get back home. We can take care of our safety, and it's in long-term projects, like if you're shooting for a month or something, it becomes difficult for you to like focus on everybody's sanitization and your own safety. So I think 2-3 days you can manage. So that is also one of the reasons. Corona, okay, basically.
Yeah. Coming to Shahir, see, no one does romance better than you on TV. So are we going to, like, I saw Barish Banjana, you both are looking mesmerizing together. So like you're bringing that magic to music videos now. Is it safe to say that?
Sorry, I didn't get that.
The romance the romance of yours that we see on television, it's safe to say that you're bringing that to music videos now.
Bringing that to music videos, I don't know about that, but yeah.
It's in him.
Yeah, that's me, I guess. I take it wherever I go.
With that lover boy image of yours from television to music videos.
Go on, guys. I played a warrior twice. Yeah, so
exactly.
Appreciated that as well. So I guess. Yeah. But that's again compliment. Okay. So thank you.
Yes,
coming to Stebin. So I think you're on a hat trick now from Thoda Thoda Pyar, The Vedad, and now Barish Banjana. How is it doing all of this together, Stebin?
It's all doing great. हर opportunity आपके लिए important होती है और वैसे ही आप लेते हो उसको. और अच्छी बात यह है कि that I'm getting to work with such good people. I'm blessed. I'm grateful. Especially starting from Thoda Thoda Pyar this year, I think started off with such a good song, and it's reaching to so many people. And then Vedad happened with Hina, and now this is the song. So the good thing is that now Hina and Shahir. So through these music videos, also every time I do a music video, I get to meet new people and talented actors. So the same way I met Hina, now I met Shahir. So इतने अच्छे actors के साथ मुझे काम करने का मौका मिलता है. So obviously I'm trying to utilize this opportunity जितना भी मैं कर सकता हूँ अपनी आवाज के through लोगों तक पहुंच पा रहा हूँ, लोगों तक मेरी आवाज पहुंच पा रही है एक्टर्स के थ्रू भी, क्योंकि लोग इतना अच्छा काम करते हैं, इनका इतना फैंडम भी होता है. So enjoying the process of doing more music videos and getting to to reach more audience.
Okay, coming to Pooja, how did you just come up with the fact of getting all of these people together?
Oh, Pooja.
When I heard this song for the first time, Payal had done such beautiful composition. I mean, melody. आजकल वो melody मिलनी सही melody और वो जो आपके साथ रहे ज़हन में, it just stayed with me. And Stebin's voice was amazing. I think did full justice to the composition also. इतना खूबसूरत गाना था. So the song was big. It was really big. It was amazing. The only thing I had in mind was which is the right pair that will do justice to it. गाना बड़ा है, पैर बड़ा होना चाहिए, and they need to complement the song. गाना और जो casting है, it has to go hand in hand. So the only two people I could think of is Shahir Sheikh and Hina Khan.
Only two people.
And he's the romantic king, so like you said, we needed people who would romance कर रहे हैं, ऐसा लगे नहीं जैसे act कर रहे हैं.
हाँ, ऐसा
Okay.
मुझे भी सुनने में आया.
हाँ.
Coming to Hina and Shahir, how was it working with each other together? Being you both have so many similarities between you both, coming from Kashmir. What did you guys share? How was the experience? Hina, you can go first.
Shahir,
I
would you like to
it was
say
an amazing
something?
experience for me. It was an amazing experience. I got to see Kashmir with Hina, a Kashmiri girl. She was introducing me to different things, which was amazing. And I've not traveled Kashmir as such.
Yeah, because
so
he's a
this is-
fancy Kashmiri. He doesn't know
No,
much
because I
about
live in
Kashmir.
Jammu. Jammu is a little away from Kashmir. That's why. Actually, yeah. So it was nice. It was really, really nice for me. I loved it. So yeah.
Yeah,
Over to you.
it was yeah, I mean, I would say the same. It was fresh, to be very honest. More than, of course, you work with so many co-actors, you spend time, you have fun, but जैसे कि viewers को एक freshness देखने को मिली as us as a couple, for us also to interact as actors and then becoming like quite cordial with each other. There was a lot of freshness. So I think that kind of reflected in our performance, and which is why people found and could really figure that freshness out. Would you like
We are
to add
seeing-
something, Shahir?
It was very natural, very smooth. We didn't have to put an effort to make it happen.
Yeah.
It just happened.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It just
Yeah.
seriously, like I don't really remember a point where we like kind of put in so much pressure to act.
Yes.
ऐसे एक्शन भी हो रहा था तो like we were like हाँ ठीक है, okay fine, अच्छा ऐसा करना है, okay.
We were actually having fun. We were
having
like,
fun.
Yeah, yeah.
We saw
We were
that
so
from the
excited about the
BTS
fact. Sorry.
the BTS videos that we have been shared, the fans have got a gift, seeing you guys just having fun together.
Yeah, and then there is a bigger pitara which is with Madam Pooja, the big pitara of BTS that she will open after the release. you
Oh, yeah.
better subscribe to her YouTube channel.
Coming to Payal, from like you are on a winning streak from Genda Fool to now Barish Ban Jana, Dil Chahte Ho. Like, can we say that love ballads are your thing now?
या यू कैन से मुझे बस चाहिए कि म्यूजिक में मेलोडी अच्छी होनी चाहिए. माय मेन कंसर्न इज दैट क्योंकि एक्चुअली मैं बहुत दिल से किसी भी मेलोडी पे काम करती हूँ, क्योंकि मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि जो काम हम लोग दिल से करते हैं वो लोगों के दिल तक पहुंचती है. तो ऑफ कोर्स मुझे हमेशा यही लगता है कि गाना बहुत दिल से बनाना चाहिए एंड बहुत ही ज्यादा एफर्ट लगा के बनाना चाहिए. आज के ट्रेंड को समझते हुए कि लोगों को क्या सुनना पसंद है, क्या देखना पसंद है. यू नो लाइक अगर विजुअली भी आपको दिखाना है तो हम लोगों को म्यूजिक के थ्रू बहुत कुछ करना पड़ता है कि एक डायरेक्टर का विजन इस म्यूजिक के ऊपर ऐसा हो सकता है. यू नो बहुत सारी चीजें होती है ऑफ कोर्स, पर ऑफ कोर्स लव बैलेड क्वीन जो भी बोल रहे हो वो मुझे बनना है. ऑफ कोर्स आई विल लव टू बी दैट.
How sweet.
Okay.
थैंक
For Stebin and Payal, how is it like the pictures that has come out with Barish Banjana, with Hina and Shahid? What's your take on it? How do you feel like the video now that it's out? How do you feel? कि कैसा बना है video? क्या कहना
It couldn't be better. It couldn't be better than what I'm seeing right now. Because so I was watching it with my entire family, and trust me, not just saying it, but पूरी family का reaction ऐसा था कि wow, what a video. So you know, आजकल क्या होता है
स्टोरी लाइन इतनी अमेजिंग है. आदित्य दत्त जी ने बहुत ही अमेजिंगली डायरेक्ट किया है. हिना इज लुकिंग ब्यूटीफुल एज ऑलवेज. शहीर इज देयर एंड दोनों की केमिस्ट्री इतनी अच्छी लग रही है. स्टेबिन की आवाज इतनी अच्छी लग रही है. इट इज लाइक अ कंप्लीट टीम वर्क. ऑफ कोर्स वी कैन सी कि सब लोगों ने इतनी मेहनत की है इस गाने को इतना अच्छा बनाने के लिए.
Coming to
Thank
the
you.
second
जैसी
half.
आप बहुत खूबसूरत लग रही हैं अभी मेरी
I
स्क्रीन
know
पे.
the झुमकास और जो बाल छोड़ रहे हैं पूजा के.
Guys, I just had one thing in mind. इस गाने को number 1 पे पहुंचाना है. मुझे एक number 1 गाना चाहिए था. So the only combination I could see is Payal, Stebin, Hina and Shahid. That's the reason four of them.
Wow, thank you, Pooja.
Period.
Thank you.
I want to see this right now. Hey, actually number one.
Yes.
नहीं,
coming
मैंने
to
actually
the
I
number
haven't
one.
seen anything अभी तक तो.
Yes,
But,
it is number one. Yes.
Wow.
मैं झूठ थोड़ी बोल रही हूँ.
क्या बात.
But it's still number one. That's amazing, yeah. Nice.
क्या
आदत
बात
डालना
है.
चाहिए हमारे साथ.
बस पूजा, अभी हमें लद्दाख में शूट करना है नेक्स्ट गाना.
हाँ, हाँ.
Done.
मैंने बोला
Great.
पूजा
सामने
लद्दाख में
Hina's
shoot
agreed
करना
to the
है.
next video with Shahid in Ladakh.
Brody ने काम
Fire
किया.
No, I said पूजा लद्दाख में शूट करना है. मैंने शहीद का
शहीद
नाम
नहीं
छोड़ दिया.
चाहिए. She doesn't want कि कोई अंडे खा के आए रोमांटिक सीन करते हैं.
नहीं, शहीद के साथ ही. अभी कश्मीर एक्सप्लोर करना है तो शहीद के साथ ही.
Coming to
Good
Kashmir,
night.
Pooja, why Kashmir? Like, how was it? Like, why did you decide on shooting this entire Barish ka concept in Kashmir? Why not Mumbai? While you know Mumbai ki Barish is so famous, why Kashmir?
See, the obviously गाने का नाम बारिश था, but the concept, the thought behind the song was romance. It was pure romance. And I don't think while it talks about barish, I think it's a 365 degrees all round season song. And romance इतना भरा हुआ था कि बॉम्बे में मुझे लगता है कि एक बार रोमांस करना थोड़ा पोल्यूशन में मुश्किल हो जाता है. तो श्रीनगर से ज्यादा खूबसूरत जगह थी नहीं. Honestly, we thought of Dehradun and lot of other options, but जो खूबसूरती चाहिए थी वो या स्विट्जरलैंड में हो सकती थी या जैसे यश जी करते थे या फिर श्रीनगर में. So कोविड था तो श्रीनगर.
खूबसूरती की
और
बात करते
हिना जी
तो
आपने वादा किया है अपने फैन से कुछ 5:45 को लाइव जाने का. It's 5:50 I guess.
I don't know. Once they leave us, I am okay. चलो, छोड़ो.
just 2 minutes
Bye bye
more.
बोलो.
Last 2 minutes
नहीं.
more. Okay, Hina, last thing, you know, खूबसूरती की बात करते हैं तो every music video में you are looking mesmerizingly beautiful. You make heartbreak look so beautiful on screen. What goes behind that?
Well, honestly, I've not had a heartbreak in real life. Touch wood, God's grace. So I think it's everything. And you feel that the person who's acting opposite you is actually very dear to you. And when you feel the story, you feel the content, it comes out on screen. And uske baad, of course, you make a lot of effort on how you look, your outfits, how whether it's the place, the scenic beauty around, everything adds on. It's not just me. I think it's wanted. I don't think it's just Shahid and me when it is about the on-screen beauty, whether there are just two actors. It's everything. Every little thing adds.
Okay. Shahid, we have seen coming to the BTS part, we have seen a very funny side of you in the BTS that we had only heard in like media interviews or from your co-actors.
अरे बहुत funny है ये.
We have seen this very funny side. Tell us more about those funny videos. Fans are loving it. Just Shahid, if you can say something on that.
See, I feel I'm a different person when I'm with the people I feel comfortable with. Yeah. And when I'm working with a new set of people, I'm like, you will not like me at all. Most of the times I'm not funny.
So did you like us or did you not like us?
I'm not still sure about it, honestly. Yeah, but it was fun actually. People around me were so fun-loving and funny. So, I guess it's just because
I told you yesterday.
Okay, last we will wrap up for Hina and Shahid. Anything that you want to share with your fans now that the song is out? Hina and Shahid last.
Thank you so much for making it such a big success. I just heard that it's already on #1 trending and people are loving it. The response is amazing. We feel honored. I mean, it's their hard work, Payal, Debin, and everyone. So
everybody.
We also feel like we are a part of it now because we have acted in it. So thank you so
So yeah,
much,
but I'll
everyone.
still say that there's a long way to go. We are trending. It's just this first day. I know day one is always very exciting. You watch the music video again and again, but then I want the same kind of excitement to stay back with you guys and watch it with all the love and attention. Show it to your friends and keep it in the trending list. And I want 200 million on this.
Nice.
Okay. Okay, thank you, Hina and Shahir. You can leave for the live.
Yeah, they can go to, but continue with
Thank
Payal
you.
and
Bye,
Stefan.
guys.
Yeah,
Bye,
thanks.
Stefan.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank
Bye,
you,
Hina.
Hina.
Bye,
Thank you,
Shahir.
Shahir.
Take care, both
Bye.
of you.
Thank
Bye.
you. Bye-bye. You too. Take care.
Bye.
Okay, coming back to Payal and Steven. Okay.
Yeah.
Steven, I have seen comments, messages. You know, you are the new age, what do you call Kumar Sanu, Sonu Nigam, the Gen Z of love songs. What do you want to say on it?
I'm just so happy, and I'm so grateful for everyone जिन्होंने मुझे चांस दिया है, जिन्होंने मुझे आगे बढ़ाने के लिए मौके दिए, क्योंकि it's not that easy for any singer or for any artist to just come out, and show his talent. It also takes a lot of people who are helping him out, reaching, and who are pushing them. So कहीं ना कहीं मेरे साथ वालों ने मुझे बहुत प्यार दिया है, और the bond I have created with people, they've supported me a lot. So जैसे viral है, तो viral ने मुझे बहुत प्यार दिया है. It's my second song with them. We have more songs lined up. So there are many other labels also. There are many people who are pushing me, many music directors जैसे पायल दी है, आदित्य भाई है, तो I'm working. This is my third song with them. So there are many more songs to come out. So similarly, it's the love, and of course जब गाने hit होते हैं तो वो प्यार मिलता है. But I think it's just the beginning, and I'm just a new boy in the industry. So I still feel that I have a long way to go. Where I really want to reach out. I honestly want to be number one in everything I do, and obviously I know that it's going to take a lot of time, because people who are there at number one position themselves with consistency of good work, great work, और इतने अच्छे काम उन लोगों ने किए हैं. Jagjit Singh, so I look up to Arijit Singh. Of course, I look up to him because he has created history in the music industry of India. So I think I would definitely I'm watching him and I'm growing. So the next goal is to be the number one and be better than anyone. So for that, I'm going to be learning a lot and going to work a lot.
All the best for that. Coming to Payal, you have worked with such diverse range of actors. Like now, Hina and Shahir also included in the list. We want to know that who do you want to work with, and who in the past also who was the best that you have worked with, according to you?
See, the best thing happened ever is like I worked for Salman Khan, which is a huge dream for me, because I'm from a very small town, small place of course, and वहाँ पे सोचना difficult होता था कि कभी सलमान खान के लिए गाऊंगी. Now I have really very good relationship with him also. He is our भाई. So ये एक ड्रीम लगता है of course कि सलमान खान के लिए काम करने का मुझे बहुत ज्यादा क्रेज था. कोई अगर आप मुझसे पूछोगे एक्टर तो of course सलमान खान, ऋतिक रोशन, शाहरुख खान के लिए करना ऑफ कोर्स वो भी बहुत बड़ा ड्रीम अभी भी है. आई डोंट नो आगे कब पॉसिबल हो पाएगा नहीं पाएगा. एंड जहां तक हिना और शहीर की बात है, हिना मेरी बहुत फेवरेट रही है. उनका डेली सोप आता था, उसमें वो अक्षरा बनी थी, तो मैं उनके हर मूव के साथ मैं भी कनेक्ट हो जाती थी. उनके हर या तो दुख होता था या तो खुशी होती थी. तो वैसे मैंने शहीर के भी सीरियल्स जो वो करते थे वो देखा है, काफी टाइम से फॉलो कर रही हूँ. एंड शिवांगी मोहसिन भी लास्ट वीडियो में थे, सुरभि एंड शरद का मैंने सीरियल बहुत देखा था जिसमें वो कुछ डिफरेंट एक्ट करते थे. आई डोंट रिमेम्बर द नेम ऑफ कोर्स, बट ऑफ कोर्स बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है सबके साथ काम करके, क्योंकि एक वो खुशी मिलती है कि हाँ हमने इनके साथ काम किया है. somehow we are like हम लोग जुड़े हैं उनके साथ. सेम लाइक जैकलिन के लिए मैं बहुत टाइम से करना चाहती थी. तो फर्स्ट वाज गेंदा फूल ऑफ कोर्स, नो फर्स्ट वाज रेस 3 एक्चुअली. रेस 3 के बाद गेंदा फूल हुआ which became a massive hit, and third is Dil De Diya also from Radhe, which was my last song. तो of course जब अच्छे and great actors आते हैं आपके प्लेबैक में जब वो लोग एक्ट करते हैं तो बहुत ज्यादा खुशी होती है देख के, एंड आई एम रियली रियली हैप्पी.
Okay, coming now that you said the last Barish of Mohsin and Shivangi, it had crossed boundaries. Now, what are you expecting?
Yeah.
Pooja, Stephen, Payal, I want to ask all three of you. What are you expecting out of Barish Banjana?
Of course, we are expecting more because with every project, responsibilities बढ़ती जाती हैं. और क्या होता है, जब भी आप एक पार्ट 2 कर रहे होते हो तो आपने ऑब्वियसली आपने पार्ट 1 किया जिसमें आपने काफी मेहनत करी हुई है और आपको पता होता है कि आप और क्या क्या कर सकते हो और कितना बेहतर कर सकते हो और आप ज्यादा मेहनत करने के हमेशा रेडी होते हो, क्योंकि एक आर्टिस्ट का राइट तरीका ये होता है कि उसको ही हैज टू बिकम बेटर विद एवरी प्रोजेक्ट, राइट. सो ऑब्वियसली टीम हमारी पूरी सेम है, बट ऑब्वियसली अभी सब एक्सपीरियंस हो गए हैं और एक साल में और ज्यादा सीखे हैं. सो ऑब्वियसली वी आर पुटिंग आवर 200% टुवर्ड्स दिस. सो ऑब्वियसली आवर एक्सपेक्टेशन इज कि ये गाना सिर्फ सुपर हिट नहीं, ये ब्लॉकबस्टर हो और कुछ धमाका मचा दे ये गाना पूरे कंट्री में.
Definitely. Pooja, what's your take on this? Like,
I would
जो
only say
बा-
कि Payal और Stebin इतने अच्छे गाने भेजते हैं कि मेरे लिए एक चैलेंज हो जाता है because they've done better than the last one themselves.
yeah,
Since
they
they are doing
outgrow
better, हाँ, और अगर मेरा उतना कंट्रीब्यूशन नहीं रहा तो एक अच्छे गाने को मुझे बुरा लगेगा कि I didn't do justice to. Like I said, it's such a beautiful song, and in fact जब मैंने सुना था an artist को भी सुनाया था गाना, so everyone started comparing it to the first Barish, which was understood. They were hearing the first one and they said हमें समझ नहीं आ रहा कौन सा better है, but वो वाला क्योंकि इतना सुन चुके थे लोग, so it was in their head, and then they called me back immediately, and no lying there, within 15 minutes they said नहीं ये भी यार उतना ही अच्छा अगर बेटर नहीं है तो. सो आई थिंक पायल एंड स्टेबिन ये अपने ही बाउंड्रीज आगे अपने लिए दे ब्रेकिंग रिकॉर्ड्स फॉर themselves and they're making life very challenging for me.
Okay.
Same for me also, because जब पहला हिट हो जाता है, जब फर्स्ट वो बारिश इतना ज्यादा लोगों को पसंद आया था तो मेरे ऊपर बहुत ज्यादा प्रेशर था कि अब क्या करूं, क्योंकि मतलब कुछ अलग करना था यार, बिकॉज पहला इतना चला, ऐसा नहीं लोग ये ना बोले कि अरे पहला बेटर था दूसरा इतना अच्छा नहीं है, तो बहुत सारी चीजें माइंड में चलता रहता है. तो मतलब एक चैलेंज था मेरे लिए भी क्रिएट करना. हर बार जब कुछ न्यू क्रिएट करती हूँ तो बहुत सारा टेंशन होता है माइंड में कि पता नहीं इसका क्या होगा, ये अच्छा होगा या नहीं, लोग पसंद करेंगे या नहीं. बट ऑफ कोर्स फर्स्ट हियरिंग में ही सबने, पूजा ने एंड पूरी वायरल टीम ने को बहुत पसंद आया ये. एंड पूजा ने इतना अमेजिंग, बस एक चीज मैंने इस बार जो मिस किया, पूजा के साथ शूट नहीं किया है, जो मैंने बहुत ज्यादा मिस किया. लाइक लास्ट प्रोजेक्ट था बेपना प्यार, वो भी मतलब पूजा ने एकदम फटाफट करा दिया था. मुझे ऐसा लगा ही नहीं कि कुछ शूट हुआ, बिल्कुल ऐसा लगा 10 मिनट में शूट खत्म हो गया था. तो शी इज फैबुलस. उनको पता है कि अरे मेरे को ये मिल गया आर्टिस्ट से तो हो गया, बस इसमें काम हो जाएगा. तो ऑफ कोर्स ये वो मैंने बहुत मिस किया. आई होप आगे आप मुझे वापस शूट करो.
मुझे बड़ी पायल के बारे में चीज बोलनी है, प्लीज आई एम कटिंग हियर. सो आई हैव शॉट विद हर फॉर 2 songs. स्टेबिन के साथ एक गाना किया है. पहले गाने में हम मिल नहीं पाए बारिश में, ना स्टेबिन को ना पायल को, बट इवन रिमोटली दे डिड अ फैंटास्टिक जॉब. उसके बाद मैं पायल को पर्सनली मिली एंड इट्स सच अ प्लेजर टू शूट विद हर. शी इज ब्यूटिफुल ऑन स्क्रीन. शी इज सो नेचुरल. Yeah, she's immensely natural and it's so lovely. वो जल्दी शूट इसलिए हो गया because she's so good at it. नहीं तो घंटों लग जाते हैं, and she was fantastic. I'm looking forward to Barish. And this time
featuring Payal.
We will love to and looking forward.
Okay, lastly, I can't let you guys go without singing 2 lines of Barish Banjana, Stebin and Payal. Please.
Definitely.
So can we sing the hook line? Stebin will start and I will that's will be nice. Yeah.
The scale मैं सोचा था कि आप चालू करोगे तो मैं स्केल पकड़ता.
जब मैं बादल बन जाऊं तुम भी बारिश. I think this is the original.
जब मैं बादल बन जाऊं तुम भी बारिश बन जाना, जो कम पड़ जाए सांसें तो मेरा दिल बन जाना।
रिमझिम सावन की बूंदे तू हर मौसम बरसाना, जो कम पड़ जाए सांसें तो मेरा दिल बन जाना।
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you, Pooja. Thank you, Payal. Thank you,
Thank you.
Seven.
Thank you,
so
Tulika.
much.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Pooja.
Pooja.
Take care, Pooja.
Thank you,
Thanks,
Lily.
Payal.
All of
Thanks,
you
Seven.
guys.
Take care,
All the
Take care.
best.